Hello everybody, my name is Safy and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to do tie-dye. I'm going to show you 3 techniques. Stay tuned. For this project you will need powder dye, rubber bands, paintbrush and a paper cup, a bottle with water, t-shirts, gloves and apron. Let's do it! Now I'm going to open this kit. The powder is inside. Now we need to put warm water and shake it. Rinse each t-shirt in a cold water for better blending. You have to squeeze it. All the water out. Let's do technique number 1 with swirling style. Lie the t-shirt flat. Use 2 fingers, pinch it in the middle and swirl, swirl, swirl to create a spiral. Secure it with elastic rubber bands. The trick is to lie the t-shirt flat on table and slide the rubber band underneath. I use 4 rubber bands, but you can use 2 or more. Use old baking tray and rack. Color each part with different color, or you can use only 2 colors. It's up to you. Turn it. Now color the other side. Make sure to add the color on the same part you colored before. Wrap it in plastic bag or foil. Technique number 2, stripes. My mommy loves stripes, so I'm gonna do one for my mommy. For this technique, you need to fold it like a fan. My mommy will help. Fold the t-shirt like a paper fan. Now secure it with elastic rubber bands. It will help you to create your stripes. Use as many as you want. Place it on a rack and color each part with different color, or you can use only one color. Now the other side. Make sure you put the same color in the same place. Wrap it in the foil like this. Don't mix the colors. Let's do technique number 3. Blending. This one is going to be for my daddy. For this one, we need to use a brush. And I choose blue and green for daddy. Color the bottom of the t-shirt with one color first. Then use the paintbrush to blend it. Now you can add different color and to blend it again with paintbrush. You can use water for better effect. Now roll it like this and wrap it in foil. I wanted to try to do same technique with my leggings. Guess what I'm making? Yes, you are right. It's a rainbow. Can you see how my pink and blue made beautiful purple color? Put in plastic bag and leave it for 24 hours. I'm back after 24 hours. I'm so excited how everything will turn out. It's going to get really messy, so you need gloves and apron. Let's do it! First, you have to remove the wrapping, then wash it in the cold water. You can help yourself with scissors, but be careful, scissors are sharp. Rinse it until water is clear. And give proper spin in the washing machine. Moment of truth. These are my trousers. They turn out really nice. Whoa. This is my mommy's t-shirt. It's so pretty. And this is my daddy's t-shirt. Look. Whoa, and this is my rainbow t-shirt. It will match my trousers with it. And this is my rainbow pillowcase. Can you see the swirl, what we did? And this is my other pillowcase. It looks a rainbow. Look, but it also looks like turquoise here. Oh, and this is my summer t-shirt. It can match perfectly with the trousers. Can you see the swirl too? This is my bed sheet. Can you see the swirl? Now we have to let them dry. I really love this tie-dye. I hope you like it. You can make your own designs too. Can you write in comments what design did you like most? See you next time. Bye.